And this is the box. I have not opened it yet, so we're gonna see what it looks like on the inside. This is my first kit from the Fretwire. Hi there. It's a step up from some of the kits I've bought previously that were like in the $100 to $130 range. This is gonna be my first base. Unless they sent me the wrong thing, we'll find out. And I normally keep this box because I live in an apartment and I don't have a very good area to paint in. So I keep the box and I use the box as a sort of a shelter or a little like a, yeah, something to screen a little bit. But let's see what we got here. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. So this is just a little, like, go here if you want to see the instructions on how to build your instrument. And it looks like we have the body, the neck, and the electronics. So let's start with the neck, shall we? It's very rough. I mean, it's unfinished wood, so it needs a lot of sanding and a lot of love. But the grain looks pretty nice. I like the way it looks, actually. I like the frets on it. They're gonna need a little bit of work. There are a couple of ones that are a little bit sharp, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Let's see here. Looks like there's a little bit of a gap here on the nut. I may have to look into that, see if that's gonna be an issue. This is my first base, so I don't really know what to expect. And of course, the headstock is gonna need some kind of shape. And I'm probably going to let myself be inspired by the body shape, which is based off of the Telecaster base. But yeah, I really like the wood grain on the neck. That looks nice to me. All right, let's go for the body. Okay, got a white Perloid pickguard, 3-ply. That's definitely the best quality pickguard I've gotten in any guitar kit so far. Oh, there's a cat. Hi, cat. Want to see? You don't like the smell of that one so much, huh? No? Okay, fine. We got the body. Let's look at the body. So this is what I've been most excited for. I'm gonna paint it pink. There's a story to that. We'll get to that later. Yeah, I'm not disappointed. Again, it's unfinished. You can feel the wood grain. It's gonna need a lot of sanding and a lot of love, but I don't mind that. That's part of the fun of building guitars. I really like the shape of this. It has all the holes that it needs to have, including one here for the ground, which the last Telecaster I bought, that was the only thing missing from the body. Anyway, this looks really good, and I'm excited. Yeah. It's not like a super snug fit, but it also looks like the pocket is pretty good. It could have been tighter. It could have been a little bit tighter. I'm not really, if you look at the, right here, I don't know if you can see it on camera. Yeah, there's a little bit of a gap there. I'm sure I'll figure it out when I put it all together. But, you know, on to the electronics. Expectations are low, I'm not gonna lie. Just because, in my experience, guitar kits come with generally mediocre hardware. Stuff like this, probably just garbage. This is one hell of a humbucker, man. The back of it here, you can see the two magnets and a lot of goop. So much goop. All right, let's look at the bridge and the tuners. I'm hoping these will be all right. I really don't want to buy another bridge. I'll upgrade the tuners if I have to. Yeah, it looks pretty standard. There's nothing really special about it. You can see that it has that telly look. Tuners. It comes with a set of strings. Probably just gonna get rid of those. And this would be a pre-wired control plate. It has everything on the back. Small pots, but they are brand name pots. That is, I think, first time ever I've gotten that in a guitar kit. So, thumbs up to Fretwire for that one. That's actually really nice. That's really nice. And that actually also raises my hope for the rest of the hardware. Just putting that out there. Your basics, screws and such. Not much to say. They screw in and out of wood. If you're not familiar with the concept, probably you shouldn't be watching this. Anyway, that's it. That's all that's in the box. First impressions. The hardware itself, the gear, the wood, everything looks fine. There aren't nothing wrong with it that I would be upset about or would make me want to send it back or not buy a Fretwire kit again. I do wish that instead of printing a barcode that they would print actual instructions. Even the cheap Chinese kits come with that, so I don't think that's asking too much. Other than that, let's see how it goes once we actually start putting it together.